guys, good morning. Another day, another vlog. At anong oras na sis?
5:15.
It's already 5:15 and we're off to Tagaytay with Lolo Stong. Lolo Stong? With our lolo sa mother side.
Grabe ka.
Yan. So pasakay muna kami ng car.
Medyo lang.
Dito kasi kami sa likod. Okay guys, we'll live doon sa loob. So, see you later.
May kakaya lang. Pero yung mahusay, yung nagpamanik yun.
Hi guys, dito kami sa McDo. Rinig ba? Hindi yata kami rinig. Okay, later na lang. So we just finished eating breakfast sa McDo. Sa McDo. And it's already 6:45. Dito kami sa NLEX McDo. So, nag-grab lang kami ng quick breakfast before kami pumunta sa Skyway. So, we're finally here in Tagaytay. And we'll be eating here sa The View. So, we're now here at The View kung saan kakain kami ng breakfast muna. Kasama namin si Lolo Ustong kasi ititreat namin siya dito before siya pumuntang States. At ito ang setup nila guys. Super ganda sa loob.
Hello, good morning. Nandito kami sa The View, dito sa Tagaytay. O makikita nyo sa overlooking yung Taal Lake. Ayan yung Taal Lake. With nawawalan sa
So here's their menu and you may pause the video para makita niyo yung prices ng mga ino-offer nila na dishes. And here's the view of course. I suggest na pumunta kayo dito ng umaga para ma-appreciate niyo yung view. And here's what we ate. Kahit na breakfast, syempre merong bulalo kasi nasa Tagaytay tayo guys. Ayan, at hindi rin naman kami nagtagal kasi marami pa kaming pupuntahan at kakainan sa araw na ito.
Stairs?
So now we're here at Twin Lakes.
Go stairs.
I'm gonna bring you with me as we go around Twin Lakes. So guys, nagpo-photoshoot kami.
Ay, dito may banda. One, two.
There you go! Kitang-kita nyo naman, hindi pa rin kami tapos sa pagpipicture kasi marami talagang spots din dyan sa Twin Lakes na pwede nyong pagpicturean. And then, we just roamed around or strolled around kasi medyo busog pa kami, hindi pa kami handang kumain ulit. Pero if you're looking for a bite, this place is an option din talaga guys because marami silang restaurants na inopen dito. And he's Lolo and I'm so happy to see him smiling today. I'm glad na he's enjoying this day with us kahit na kami ay nakafocus sa jewelries imbis na sa kanya sa moment na yan. Anyway, yan, inabot na rin kami ng malakas na ulan and ng hangin. Pero thank you Lord kasi kahabang nag-roam around kami, hindi naman siya bumuhos talaga. At hindi na rin kami nagtagal din dyan guys. Hindi na kami kumain dyan kasi nga medyo busog pa kami. Pero yun, if you guys wanna eat there, then you may do so. Ayan, inaantay na lang din namin si Dad kasi pupunta na rin kami sa aming next na pupuntahan. Hi guys, so we're here at Bag of Beans. And so madaming branches yung Bag of Beans. And nandito kami sa branch na maraming design. Okay, so super funny ng sinabi ko kanina pero tama yun. Ito yung branch na may maraming designs, magandang interior designs nila at ito yung main branch. And dito na kami kumain ng lunch and we ordered some pan-seared salmon, roast beef with mashed potato. The food is quite expensive pero I guess you also pay for the experience. At ayan, kasama nga namin si Lolo Ustong. This day is really for him. Gusto na namin siya makasama before siya pumunta sa US. Magbabakasyon siya doon. And we thank you Lord for allowing this to happen. If not for him, then hindi namin siya makakasama today. Side note, we miss you Lola Medi. So, nandito kami guys sa Starbucks. Ay, nako. So, nandito kami sa Starbucks.
Na-bother siya sa sarili niya.
Okay, so after ng kaaratehan na yon, pumasok na rin kami sa wakas. Dinala namin si Lolo Stong dito sa Starbucks sa Tagaytay, yung bagong branch nila. Kami guys, sanay kasi kami na nagko-coffee after kumain. So, ayan, nag-coffee kami dito sa Starbucks. And for some reason, ang sarap mag-coffee sa Tagaytay. Siguro dahil na yun sa view and ambience. And we thank the Lord kasi kahit na bagong open na to, meron kaming nakuhang spot sa baba.
We're here with Lolo because alis na siya sa July, diba? So this and then balik niya ay kailan balik niya next year? 4 months? Ay, 4 months. November, diba?
So, after namin mag-coffee, napadaan kami dito sa Papa Bolo. Isa siyang brewery and restaurant at the same time. Kaya ayan, tinignan namin yung loob niya and they have a lot of merch din. And you guys might wanna also try playing their arcade on the side. And ang pinapakita ko sa inyo ngayon ay yung kung saan nila binubrew yung own beers nila. So, they make their own beers, guys, and that's super amazing. And ano pa, they also transformed those barrels into eating spaces and that's very creative. And ayan, nag-check lang din kami ng mga pwede namin mabili at pwede namin makain sa car. Pero yun, we didn't eat here na kasi we're still stuffed. Plus, hindi rin kasi kami umiinom. So, ayan. Pero if you guys wanna eat here or try this, go lang. Pag napadaan kayo sa Tagaytay, check nyo to. Maganda rin.
Transfer lahat ito. Transfer ko na lahat sa inyo.
Kay mami na lang. Guys, masyado daw maraming pictures. Paano daw i-upload yan ni Lolo? Lolo, upload mo na lang lahat. Guys, we're finally home. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you like this video and please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Kahit anong gusto nyo na lang. Goodbye and good night.
And so this is where the sad part begins, saying goodbyes. And like what we shared earlier, si Lolo ay pupunta na nga ng US. Pero you know what the funny thing is, ang klingi-klingi namin, kahit alam naman namin, magbabakasyon lang naman siya doon. Kidding aside, we thank the Lord for giving us this opportunity na makapag-spend ng time with Lolo. Because you know what? The truth is, we never know when these precious moments might be our last. Kaya kami, or me, we make them count habang may oras pa. And so, I just want to say, Lolo, that we love you and we thank God for your presence and we appreciate you every day.